everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm C Slays, and for today's video I'm going to be saving y'all scalps. I'm going to be showing y'all how you should wash and prepare your hair before putting in your protective style. So if you like what you see, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, we're going to get right into this video. So you really want to start by making sure you have some apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's going to be really important for making sure that we can get our hair as clean as possible. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of white vinegar and then 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with the mother to really give my hair a very nice detoxing, clarifying rinse. And this is just really important because you do not want your scalp to be itching because you forgot to wash out your braiding hair or your lock hair or your passion twist hair. So right now I'm just showing you clear water, and I'm putting in that white vinegar, and now I'm also putting in that apple cider vinegar with the mother. And after you go ahead and pour that in, you just want to give your hair a little bit of a stir, because you are going to be allowing those vinegars to sit into the locks or whatever braiding hair you're going to use for about 45 minutes. So I'm just giving it a quick toss around, a quick stir, and I'm gonna let that sit for 45 minutes. Now, something that was really interesting, I'm showing you all this expression braiding hair, and my best friend, she's going to be doing her locks in a burgundy color, so we're super excited for that. And initially I was not going to add me washing this hair in the video, but I really just had to show you guys how dirty this hair was. So this is the clear water, right? I'm going to use the same measurements with the vinegar, and this is the dirty film, little black dots. This was the dirt that came up out of this braiding hair. So I cannot stress this enough. Please make sure your stylist is washing out the hair before you use it. Otherwise, you're going to be having all these little black bugs, all of this gray film, all of that nasty stuff in your hair. After you let your hair soak into that mixture for 45 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and use your favorite shampoo just to wash out all of the residue and the dirt and all of that stuff and apple cider vinegar out of your hair. Fortunately, there was little to no visible dirt from the locks, but I still like to wash it out anyways because you never know. But that burgundy hair was so nasty, y'all, and I know expressions is everyone's favorite hair, so please make sure that you wash that stuff out. So right now I'm just showing you all how I shampoo and really get things sudsy, so that way the hair can be as clean as possible. And this is really going to help you preserve your scalp and your summer style for as long as possible, because if the hair is clean, it's less likely to be itching and less likely to be burning, less likely for you to want to take it out. So just make sure you really give it a thorough shampoo after you rinse off that apple cider vinegar and that vinegar. So that's what I'm showing you guys now. I'm just making sure I give my hair a thorough rinse. I did not add me washing out that burgundy hair because I just didn't. It was really nasty, and I'm just using the same process that I'm showing you all now. So I really didn't think I needed to, because you soak it with the vinegar and then you wash it out with shampoo. That's really all that there is to it, and I really just added that as a bonus so you all could see how much dirt came up off of that braiding hair. So just protect your scalps, protect yourselves. Please wash your hair before y'all use it to avoid all of that stuff from being in your scalp. So after I shampoo, I just give it another rinse, clean out the sink, just to make sure that I'm being really thorough. And the last check I do, I like to add water to the sink, and if the water comes out clear, that means that the hair is all clean. So that's what happened. You keep rinsing, you shampoo, and once the water comes back up clear, that's how you know that your hair is clean. There's no dirt, there's no little bugs, there's no film. Give it a steam, and this is how clean the locks are. Ooh, that water was hot. this is how clean that the locks are. And I really find that making sure that I wash my locks or my braiding hair really makes a difference in the longevity that I keep my styling for and all of that good stuff. So this is how I dry the hair. I just hang it up on a hanger and allow it to air dry for about a day. And this is how clean the locks are. So now that the hair is all clean, we've reached the end of this video. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next week.